After leaving the event, we all needed to rest, reset, and definitely shower, so we drove back to a familiar campsite so we can do just that. After getting to our campsite, we immediately went to go get lunch because it was already 1 p.m. and we hadn't eaten anything yet.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Woo! Cheers! When we were done with lunch, we went back to camp so we can set up camp for a few days and then get started to deep clean. Everything's sandy. This is life after an event at the beach. This ball. We did as much as we could until we couldn't do it anymore. We were so exhausted from the previous week, so we did a lot of nothing and just hanging out around our camp. The second day we meant business. It was a full errand day, work day, and cleaning day for us all. Some went to get groceries and water while the rest of us deep cleaned and worked. We all did all of our laundry, dishes, and of course showered daily. After cleaning our homes and getting cleaned ourselves, we relaxed for the day until we went out for a group dinner in town. It's time to do our dishes. Why not just save our water and come and get them all done and cleaned over here? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that while Destiny is deep cleaning, doing all the cleaning, putting the groceries away, all that fun stuff. Towel to dry all these dishes, so I have to go back and get a towel. We got some dowels. Hey, crew.
Oh, nice mirror. I like this one better.
Me too.
So
that's what I said.
I tightened it so it doesn't. Yeah.
After waking up, we had to get the van ready to drive and get showered before we hit the road. Every time, these little showers are so nice. They get really hot. You have a little area here, your own private area, the bathroom if you need, and all this space. Also, plugs. We're going to shower because we have a drive today. shower. Our van is clean and it's a driving day. Yeah. We have a whole crew. We actually have a new addition to our crew. You know them already. We're still with Lita and Dylan, of course.
Is there anything you think we should aim for? Is there like a milestone?
And you may recognize them from Oregon, California. We drove a little over an hour from La Paz to get to a small town called Todos Santos, and we absolutely fell in love with it. I was just saying that. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, Hotel California.
Ooh, I want to go look at
Welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place. We spent the afternoon exploring the streets of this small town and just getting to know it, seeing cute little shops and places to eat, all before we had reservations with our friends, which so happened to be on our 7-year anniversary.
We're here.
We're here. Yes. So exciting. Okay, I stole this from Lita. It's so cute. She's never getting it back. She has another 100 at her house, so.
Thank you.
Like in our apartment, we were a loft.
Even though you're not
So our
going to see
living
this
room
since
was
you
like
don't want you
double
to.
tall. There's, like, the loft
But you're gonna
area
start,
there.
right?
So above our couch, we like
Right, Lita?
planned this like huge gallery.
Right,
You
Lita?
guys had an
Came from an RV park, so.
Did you rent it out just for us? Oh my god! You know?
This is so pretty.
Happy anniversary! We're running some quiz for you. Right? Cheers, happy anniversary. Thank you. Oh man. How did you know?
Sí, es from Oaxaca, Prieta,
Our amazing friends Lita and Dylan surprised us by telling the restaurant that it was our anniversary, and they gave us a mezcal tasting as well as a little dessert, and then they came around and gave more mezcal for the whole table to try. It was an amazing experience. See you next week, where we take you around Todos Santos, the cutest town here in Baja. We absolutely love this place and cannot wait to come back.